The Westinghouse ePX3100 electric pressure washer offers a powerful cleaning experience with a maximum pressure of 2,300 psi and a water flow rate of up to 1.76 gallons per minute. Its anti-tipping technology and four-wheel steering provide excellent maneuverability and ease of use, making it a convenient choice for various cleaning tasks. This pressure washer comes equipped with a Pro-style steel wand and 5 quick connect spray tips, enhancing its versatility for different cleaning applications. The onboard detergent tank and a flexible 25-foot hose add to its convenience, allowing for efficient and thorough cleaning of surfaces like decks, driveways, and vehicles. The Total Stop System feature helps conserve energy and prolong the pump's life by automatically stopping the pump when the trigger is not engaged. With its compact design and lightweight build, the ePX3100 is easy to store and transport, making it a practical addition to any household.